Hello and namaste everyone, this is Ankita Shekhar and you guys have tuned into my YouTube channel. So if in case you still haven't subscribed to my channel, I would request you to do so and also hit the bell button so that you can get the notifications of the video that I upload in the future. So today's video is all about the branded clothes shopping that I did from a place you guys won't even believe. So yes, I bought branded clothes from Street Market in Borivali, which is just in front of the Borivali railway station. And you guys can see the smile that I have on my face is exactly what I had when I discovered this place a month ago, I would say. So a big shout out to all the girls out there who are watching my channel to just give it a shot, because the type of collection that this guy has is to die for and the price that you are getting it in is just a steal. So without wasting any further time, let's just start with showing you the things that I bought from this market. So I will first start showing you the one-piece dresses that I bought from the guy, and the first dress that I bought is this striped dress. It's a strappy dress, as you can see. It fits towards your waist and then it has a frill towards the end of it. So this is the dress. The brand it is from is Only, if you guys can see the brand tag, and also the price tag is still intact. So it is priced at rupees 1699. You won't believe the price I paid for this dress. I paid just 400 rupees for this pretty dress. Oh my god, and I couldn't believe myself. So this is the first one and it's a steal, guys, it's a steal. So the second dress that I bought is a little formal dress that I bought from the guy. It is this grey dress, which is a straight fit dress that you can see, and this is from the brand Vero Moda. The brand tag is intact and also the price tag is intact, so I'll tell you the price of this. So it's priced at rupees 2999 and I bought this dress for 300 bucks, just 300. And trust me guys, I have tried on these dresses. The fit of these dresses are amazing, and if in case these dresses don't fit, the guy is even ready to return or replace the products. So he is not very adamant. He is a very good guy at this. So the next dress that I bought is from the brand, and the price tag is not there, so I don't know the original price of this dress. So it's an A-line denim dress which is quite stretchable in nature and will fit the shape of your body with respect to your size. So it's a knee-length dress that you can wear on any summer day and go out. It's a sleeveless dress as well, so very summery, very airy. So I got this dress for around 350. Yeah, I think that's what the price I paid for this dress. And trust me guys, for an and dress in denim, you would not pay anywhere less than 2000 bucks. And I think you guys know the price and you guys have researched the market yourself. So this is the third one that I bought. So the fourth dress that I bought is this black dress with little glitter on it, if you can see closely, and it's from a brand called Primark. It's an international brand. The price tag is not there, so I don't know the original price of this product, and I bought this one for 350. I paid 350 for this. So this dress you can't wear it on a summer day because it's quite thick and you might start feeling hot inside. It's a full sleeve dress and it's a little oversized for me. I wore this dress and I'll post the pics as well, and I resized it near my waist with the help of an adjustable belt, and it looked really nice. So again, a knee-length dress that you can throw into on a very casual day or a night out. Very comfortable. So wearing this dress at night would be preferable, because in a summer day in Mumbai you might start feeling hot in this dress. The next one that I bought is this formal dress again, which is from Vero Moda. If you can see the brand name. Again, the price tag is completely intact, and this dress is priced at rupees 3499 and I paid 400 bucks for this dress. Guys, it's a steal. You now trust me, right? So this is again a sleeveless formal dress with a zip in the front, an A-line dress. that you can wear to work. It's not stretchable, so you have to be very careful in terms of the size that you take. So again, this dress is a steal for me, and I'm gonna post pictures, and also you can follow my Instagram page if you want to see how I style these dresses. So the next dress that I bought, I don't know whether it's branded or not, but the quality of the dress is really beautiful. See, I don't know whether this brand exists, or I might not be aware of. This is a full sleeve dress made up of hosiery cotton, so very comfortable. If you can see, it's a knee-length A-line dress, and the print on the dress is very cute, very pretty. This dress I've already worn, and again I'll post pictures of, or if in case you want to see, you can follow my Insta page to see how I style these dresses. So the next dress that I bought is from this brand which I am unaware of, but the dress is so pretty. I wore it on my anniversary day and I got a lot of compliments. This again is full sleeved and it is a little mix of wool, so you might feel a little warm, but you can wear it in a lounge or a disc that you're going to, because it's chilled out there sometimes. So be very careful while wearing this dress, because you might feel a little warm after wearing this dress. So this again is an A-line dress which you can see with stripes all over it and looks very pretty. I paid around 300 again for this dress, and this dress and this price at which it is priced is a steal. So the next thing that I bought is this striped skirt that I bought from this guy, and this is from the brand Vero Moda. If you guys can see, the brand tag is still intact, even the price tag is intact, and the skirt is priced at rupees 1699 and I paid rupees 300 for this skirt. So you guys just need to go and hunt this place down. So my mother was actually not in favor of me buying this skirt, because I had already bought the dress which I showed it to you pehle. But I so love this skirt that I just bought it and I wore the second day. I'll post the pictures again for you guys to see how it looked on me. The next thing that I bought is this jacket which is from the brand Only, and the price tag is still intact. So this is priced at rupees 3999 and I paid 400 for this jacket. The jacket is so cute and it will go with any of the one-piece dresses that you might wear, or along with jeans as well. And the price that I paid for it is a steal, guys. So I am so happy that I bought this, and this was actually my mother's choice. I was not really sure how it would look, but then she made me try on the road itself and it looks so pretty. So I just went ahead and bought this as well. So guys, this is what all I bought from Borivali Street Market. In the comments below, I will leave the name of the person from whom I bought it and where he puts up the stall as well, so that it's easy for you guys to commute to the place if in case you want to buy these clothes from him. Also, I have posted my pics on Instagram. If you want to see the pics and how the clothes look, you can go to the Instagram profile as well. So yeah, so thanks for watching the video, and I have received a lot of support from you guys from the time I have joined YouTube. So please keep sharing love and showering love on me. Your support is really needed. Please be open to feedback, anything that you like, anything that you dislike, so that I can improve. And this is just the learning phase. I will try to improve and get better at it with the help of your support. Thank you so much for watching the video.